Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So yesterday we have learned about multiple inheritance. So now we will see with the code that why it is not permitted in Java. In the class 2, we'll take a class multiple main method So this is our demo 1 class. See here, syntax error. Why? Because here we are extending two classes, that is demo 1 and demo 2. Means this demo 3 is a child and it has two parents, that is demo 1, demo 2. So it is not possible. Yesterday we have discussed this. So that's why here it is showing error. So we cannot have one child, two parents. It is possible in interface. We will learn it in a further classes, but here in inheritance it is not permitted. One child cannot have two parents. Okay. Now we will move to the next rule. The second one, we have learned that cyclic inheritance is also not permitted. So we will see that also. Mhm. Main method. Here we'll give class demo 1. See here, there is showing error. So why? Cyclic inheritance in Java refers to a situation where a class extends itself either directly or indirectly through a chain of other classes. See here, this one is demo 1. So it is parent here. No, sorry. This is child here and demo 2 is parent. And here demo 2 is child and demo 1 is parent. Means it is a cyclic inheritance. Cyclic inheritance can create confusion for the compiler as it cannot determine which method and field inherit or which version of a method to use. Like it is forming an infinite loop. Here it is a child, but here it is a parent. So it is calling itself. It is saying that I am only the parent, I am only the child. So that's why it is not permitted because it is showing confusion to the compiler. That's why it is not permitted. Okay. So these are the two codes for yesterday's rule. Okay. Thank you.